if you're one of my amazing subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, I hope that you hit that subscribe button down below and never miss another video. Okay, so your girl is finally in the puree stage. Okay, I made it, baby. And my nutritionist approved me to eat meats. I can have tuna, I can have chicken, I can have deli meat, salmon. So I've been seeing a lot of people make a ricotta bake, but I'm like, that needs some meat up in there. So I'm gonna be making, like, I guess a ricotta bake, but not really. So what I did was I bought this rotisserie chicken. So good. I'm gonna cut it up like really fine. And I have some ricotta cheese. This is the Simply Organic one that I'll be using. Let's see, 0 grams of sugar, 7 grams of protein. Don't look at the sodium. I got some mozzarella cheese. This is low moisture pork skim milk. So 1 gram of sugar, 7 grams of protein. And I got some ragu marinara sauce. I did see that they have a new one, unless I'm just finding this, and it's no sugar added and 100% olive oil. I thought that was hella dope. And this one is 6 grams of sugar. No sugar added, but it still has 6 grams of sugar, which is our cutout, and the serving size is a ½ cup. So you good, sis, you good. And what else? Protein, 2 grams of protein. So I have 6 little porcelain cups that I bought. These bought from Amazon. If you didn't see, I have a review on where I got them. I have the link that you can get them from. I'll have the link also down below in this video if you guys want to see, because I've been seeing a lot of people post videos with these little porcelain meal prep thingies. So yeah, so I got 6 of these. 3 of them I'm gonna do the chicken with marinara, ricotta, and mozzarella cheese. I'm from down south, so I like stuff with barbecue sauce. So the other 3 I'm gonna do with barbecue sauce, and this one is a no sugar added by Ray's. And if you get it, this is new. They're normally called Sweet Baby Ray's, but because this one is no sugar, they just put Ray's. I thought that was so cool, like no pun intended type of joke. So this one has 1 gram of protein, not that much protein, and it has 1 gram of sugar. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to do my shredded chicken, and I'm going to mix it up with barbecue sauce. And I also bought these black beans. These beans are no salt added. So they are 7 grams of protein, 0 mg of sodium, and only 1 gram of sugar. So I'm going to ball these, and then I'm going to like mash them, make them refried, and then I'm going to do that. And so I'm going to have the barbecue chicken with the black beans mashed up on top, and then I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese on top of that. So let's get into it. Also, I've been seeing that I don't get enough protein because I don't like all the protein shakes. They're really sweet. I'm not a sweet person, I'm a salt person. So I saw that you can get non-flavored protein and just put it in your food. So I've never had this before. This one is organic. It's just literally hemp seed protein powder. It's nothing else added to this. It's literally just that. So I'm gonna add a little in my food to try to just make sure I'm getting my required protein, you know, so my incisions can heal, so my hair don't fall out. You don't want a protein deficiency. It's like one of the most common things that happens after people get this surgery. So yeah, let's start cooking. So the first thing I started with is cutting my chicken. This is a rotisserie chicken, so I'm making sure that I'm cutting any fat I see off, and I'm cutting the skin off. But I just cut, honestly, I didn't measure anything. I'm one of those people that kind of look to the ancestors, and then when they tell me to stop, I stop. Just kidding, but I didn't measure anything. But I cut a good amount of chicken up. I cut enough to fit into 6 porcelain little glass containers. So right here, I split the chicken in half. So this half I'm doing the ragu's tomato, like marinara sauce. I add Tony Sachet, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, turmeric. Turmeric is really healthy. And I also added some of the protein, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. So I realized that I messed up. I should have put the ricotta cheese at the bottom and then put the chicken and then put the mozzarella cheese on top. But yeah, it didn't happen that way. So yeah. So this is just me adding my barbecue sauce to my second batch of chicken. Oh, I don't know my measurements. Like I said, I just measure until it's enough. I like mine juicy. Some people might not want theirs as saucy. So just honestly, measure the sauce amount that you put to your liking. Honestly, that's the only thing I can say. So this is me adding the cheese and realizing that, oh yeah, I should have put this at the bottom. Ricotta. Is ricotta cheese? Comment down below. I don't feel like looking on Google. So because I did do it like that, I put a little bit of marinara on top of the ricotta, and then I put some of the mozzarella on top of that. And right here, I'm just smashing on my black beans, trying to get them to that reformed state. They were so good. I did also add a little Tony Sachet to my black beans, and it just tasted so good, y'all. And then I'm just going to get some of my mozzarella cheese and put that on top of there. And honestly, that's it. This didn't take too long to cook at all, and you have meal prep for the whole week now. I will say, the only thing I would say is I put it in the oven for the purposes of this video, and just to kind of, because it was my first time and I just wanted to see how it would come out. But see, look, and look how beautiful it came out. It came out really, 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 really beautiful. But if you're not eating it that day, I don't recommend putting it in the oven. So either find a way to kind of prep them, like meal prep them, and I guess put it in the freezer, or just keep it in plastic containers separated. It is now lunchtime. I'm about to have one of my meal preps that I made. I think I'm gonna do the barbecue chicken one. Whenever you reheat the cheese in a microwave, it gets harder. So how it looked the first time coming out the oven, as I'm about to heat it up in the microwave, you guys are about to see, it looks totally different, and the cheese is way harder. If you guys can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, but the food is really delicious. Definitely give these recipes a try. Let me know how you like them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay dope. Bye.